We got a lot of stuff to cover today. We got a lot of stuff to do. We still have workshops. We still got to get finished with continuity. We still have to do downsell continuity and then finish up and wrapping up our thank you pages. And then we're going to come at the end of the day and be done and get you out of here and get you a funnel built. And we get to run some traffic. So it's pretty cool, right? It's exciting stuff. If we could, Jared, I need a microphone. If you want to bring me one of those, have Tony run one down. So what I want to do is I want to just kind of start off the day with some kind of cool breakthroughs. So I had a lot of time to talk to a lot of you guys last night, which is really cool to hear what you guys are doing. Also, thank you, is I want to make it open that if I didn't have a chance to talk to you or listen to you or hear your thoughts, make sure you come up and grab me today. Make sure you pull me aside and say, hey, I still want to have a side conversation with you or talk about your business or whatever it is you want to talk about. So that way you leave here today or this week with our presence, right? That we were able to look at your business. We were able to kind of see what you're doing, and that way you have a direction, way to go. Josh, I'm going to pull you up first, man. So I want you to talk. I want you to talk about, you can stay right there. So I want you to talk about what we discussed. Was it Monday that we did that? All these days are blending in. Okay, so you got talking to that.
Yeah, so I was having trouble writing copy. Went up to Trey for a little guidance, and he actually asked me why my customers buy from me. And I couldn't really answer it. That night, it was like 11:30 p.m. He asked me to send an email to my customers asking them why.
How many times before that have you sent an email to them?
Like 2 times in 2 years. So
okay.
Not a lot of communication other than when they call in, kind of ready to service them. Within like 20 minutes, we had 25 replies, and it's midnight.
And how many did you send it to?
1,000 people.
1,000 people, 25 replies.
So
that's big.
At this point, like right now, we've had 112 replies.
Holy smokes, that is amazing. That's good. That's good stuff, man. I like that. That's nothing. All right, let's see. I had another breakthrough. It was you, sir, that you had last night. So let's talk about what you got going on. Go ahead and stand up. Tell them who you are. What you rocking?
Ted Repick. I cheated a little bit before I came to the class. I got some help from Brian Z up here. So
we like cheaters.
I like to skip right to the head of the front of the class. So we got our funnel kind of built out. I was kind of working now on variations, split testing, but we launched it last night, like 5, maybe just before 4:30. It went live, and we sent an email to our list. It's like 3,800 people, something like that. So kind of watching now. I'm kind of addicted. I think a lot of us are Amazon guys. You're always refreshing that Amazon app, looking at your sales. Now we've got a new addiction, this ClickFunnels stats. So we're firing this thing up, and I'm looking at it right now. We had, so far we've had 385 people come into the funnel, 259 opted in, 67%.
Holy smokes.
So that's really cool with that.
That's huge.
That 2-step order form, they're opting in automatically. So, I mean, it's like really cool. 67%, 12.5% took the free plus shipping offer. And then 40% took OTO number 1.
40%.
Yeah.
Okay.
OTO
all right.
12% roughly OTO number 2, 5% OTO number 3.
So you sent it to how many people? 3,800 people?
3,800, but
what,
yeah, went out late.
And so, what do you add at sales on Wise? What do you at sales?
Like $1,300.
$1,300 off of 4,000 people. That's huge, man. That's huge. All right. So what was the common theme there? What was the common theme of those two guys? It was emails, right? What have we been talking about? Like you guys are there. There's Facebook. There's email traffic. There's all sorts of different mediums out there that you guys can be using to be pulling in revenue. These honey holes exist, right? Like I know I've talked to a lot of you. You have 1,000 lists. You have a 4,000 list. Some of you guys have 20,000. Some of you guys have 100,000. Some of you guys have like a 2 million list. Like holy smokes, that email is powerful, right? And especially when you addict it to these funnels that we're building. And again, more streams of money is going to come in. They're available out there. Amazon is not the only place. Shopify is not the only place. Funnels aren't the only place, right? When you put them all together, it creates a reactive funnel and a reactive business. So thank you for sharing that. I appreciate that. So what we got to do is we are going to have a little time here. So we have coffee in about an hour and a half. So I know you guys are excited for that, looking for that. So what I want to do is I want to do walk and talks early this morning to get you guys up, get you guys rocking and rolling. And what I want you to do is pick someone that you have not spoken to yet, okay? about your funnel, about your squeeze page, about your order form, or about your continuity offer. And we're going to take about 20 minutes here. So it's going to take us to 9:40. So you're going to give each other 10 minutes each. So kind of watch the clock back here. There's about a 9:30 and then a 9:40. And what I want you to do is go over your continuity offer. And if you have your page done, go over your page and then discuss with them what you could use as benefits. Brainstorm. What do you think I could use as a benefit? What could be a feature of this continuity program? What have you added into your continuity program? Maybe that I could add into ours. Okay. So just kind of work that out. We're going to do some music in the background and we're going to rock and roll here.